Unlock the mysteries behind the world's most coveted timepieces. Welcome to our exploration of Patek Philippe, a name synonymous with opulence, precision, and exclusivity. In this video, we delve deep into the enigma behind why Patek Philippe watches cost millions, uncovering 7 mind-bending reasons that unveil the true essence of these horological masterpieces. So let's dive into the video. Patek Philippe, a name synonymous with luxury and prestige in the realm of watchmaking, holds an unparalleled status. Renowned for producing some of the world's most exquisite timepieces, the brand's watches often command staggering prices that can ascend into the millions. Unraveling the mystique behind the stratospheric costs of Patek Philippe timepieces unveils an intriguing tapestry of reasons, each contributing to the seemingly exorbitant price tags. Reason number 1. Peerless Exclusivity. Patek Philippe's standing in the world of luxury timepieces is deeply intertwined with the aura of exclusivity that encapsulates their creations. The deliberate and meticulously controlled production process results in a limited number of watches entering the market, thereby elevating their desirability. This intentional scarcity, combined with the brand's impeccable craftsmanship, fosters an undeniable allure among collectors and aficionados. The exclusive nature of Patek Philippe timepieces transcends mere luxury. It represents a rarefied ownership experience that resonates with those who value not just a watch, but a piece of history and artistry. The brand's decision to restrict production is not solely a marketing tactic, but a commitment to maintaining the highest standards of quality and precision. Each watch represents an amalgamation of years of expertise, skilled artisanship, and a dedication to perfection. This exclusivity adds an intangible value to each Patek Philippe watch, making it not just an accessory, but a symbol of status and refined taste. The limited availability of these timepieces, combined with their exceptional craftsmanship and historical significance, positions Patek Philippe in a league of its own. Owning a Patek Philippe watch is not merely owning a timekeeping device, it's possessing a piece of heritage and a statement of sophistication and exclusivity in the world of horology. Reason number 2. Amazing quality. At the core of Patek Philippe's distinction lies an unwavering dedication to unmatched quality. Every timepiece represents a fusion of the finest materials, exceptional engineering, and stringent quality control measures. The brand's commitment to precision and reliability is tangible in the intricate craftsmanship, creating watches that not only endure the passage of time, but also function flawlessly for generations. This unyielding pursuit of quality ensures that owning a Patek Philippe watch transcends a mere timekeeping instrument. It becomes an enduring legacy of exceptional craftsmanship and unparalleled artistry. Patek Philippe's relentless pursuit of excellence is embedded in every facet of their watchmaking process. From the selection of materials to the intricate assembly, the brand's artisans meticulously oversee each stage with an unwavering commitment to perfection. The result is not just a timepiece, but an exquisite work of art that embodies the pinnacle of horological mastery. The brand's emphasis on quality control is not just a routine procedure, it's a cornerstone of their legacy. Each watch undergoes rigorous testing and assessment, ensuring that it meets the highest standards before reaching the wrists of discerning collectors. This unwavering dedication to superior quality cements Patek Philippe's timepieces as not just accessories, but as symbols of enduring excellence and a testament to the artistry of the brand's craftsmanship. Reason number 3. Consistent innovation. Patek Philippe's distinguished position as a trailblazer in the world of horology derives from its relentless dedication to innovation. Continuously, the brand ascends benchmarks by introducing avant-garde technologies and pioneering features. Substantial investments in research and development fortify Patek Philippe's position at the vanguard of horological advancements. This steadfast commitment to expanding the horizons of watchmaking not only cements their reputation, but also elevates their timepieces as icons of innovation and exquisite craftsmanship. Such dedication doesn't just captivate watch enthusiasts and connoisseurs, but sets a standard for the entire industry, inspiring perpetual evolution. Patek Philippe's unwavering drive for innovation not only defines their watches, but also propels the entire watchmaking realm forward, ensuring their creations remain at the apex of horological excellence. Reason number 4. Precise hand finishing. The meticulous precision applied in hand-finishing each Patek Philippe timepiece stands as a testament to the brand's unwavering pursuit of excellence. Highly skilled artisans dedicate extensive hours to meticulously craft and refine every intricate detail. From the delicate engravings to the ornate decorations, the level of precision achieved through handcrafting contributes an unparalleled aesthetic and emotional value to each watch. This manual finesse guarantees that each timepiece is an individual work of art, setting Patek Philippe apart from mass-produced alternatives and elevating their watches to a level of exclusivity and refinement that transcends mere timekeeping devices. The artistry and dedication of the craftsmen behind every Patek Philippe watch demonstrate the brand's commitment to preserving traditional techniques and heritage in a world often dominated by modern manufacturing methods. Reason number 5. Excellent resale value. The remarkable resale value of Patek Philippe watches is rooted in a multifaceted combination of factors. Central to this is the brand's robust reputation, which endows their timepieces with a sense of prestige and trust. Additionally, the deliberate limitation of production contributes significantly to the enduring allure and desirability of Patek Philippe watches. Their timeless and elegant designs further enhance their value, resonating with collectors and enthusiasts across generations. Owning a Patek Philippe transcends mere ownership of a luxury watch. It's a strategic investment. The limited availability and sought-after nature of these timepieces lead to high demand in the secondary market, often resulting in watches appreciating in value over time. This robust appreciation in the resale market cements the watches as not only luxury items, but also enduring assets of considerable worth. The combination of exclusivity, quality, and timeless appeal positions Patek Philippe as an investment choice rather than just a purchase. This unique status in the market ensures that owning a Patek Philippe watch not only grants the joy of wearing a masterful timepiece, but also offers the potential for a lucrative investment opportunity. Reason number 6. Longstanding heritage. Spanning almost 2 centuries, Patek Philippe's heritage stands as a testament to its enduring legacy rooted in tradition and unparalleled excellence. This rich historical backdrop not only holds profound historical significance, but also imparts a narrative that deeply resonates with collectors and aficionados. The brand's storied lineage, marked by significant horological milestones and exceptional achievements, contributes to the emotional and historical allure encapsulated within their timepieces. The historical narrative accompanying each Patek Philippe watch is more than just a chronicle of time. It's a story that intertwines with the evolution of watchmaking and cultural history. The heritage represents a continuum of expertise and innovation, where each timepiece embodies not only technical mastery, but also a legacy of artistry and craftsmanship passed down through generations. This historical depth not only endows the watches with an aura of timelessness, but also affirms their status as more than mere instruments. They are embodiments of a legacy shaped by dedication, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Reason number 7. A-class craftsmanship. Craftsmanship at Patek Philippe is a testament to centuries of meticulous cultivation, forming an artistry that transcends time. The synergy of traditional techniques intertwined with cutting-edge technology in crafting each watch underscores the brand's resolute dedication to unparalleled artisanship. The amalgamation of age-old techniques, expert skills, and state-of-the-art innovation serves as a testimony to the brand's unyielding pursuit of perfection in the realm of watchmaking. Patek Philippe's workshop encapsulates a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. Highly skilled artisans, often mastering techniques passed down through generations, meticulously craft each component. The delicate handwork involved in embellishing every minute detail transforms each timepiece into an unparalleled work of art. This integration of traditional handcrafting with modern precision tools not only reflects the brand's reverence for heritage, but also signifies their relentless quest for refinement in every aspect of watch creation. The devotion to detail and precision in every stage of watchmaking reflects an unwavering commitment to excellence. From heritage to innovation, craftsmanship to exclusivity, each Patek Philippe watch embodies a story of timeless elegance and opulence. The mystique behind why Patek Philippe watches cost millions lies in their unparalleled dedication to excellence. Stay tuned for more insights and discoveries in the world of luxury timepieces.